Hello, parents and guardians. I just wanted to give you a quick show of how the kids' Google Classrooms will be organized for online learning. When they're in their Google Classrooms, it'll look similar to mine. They are going to work in their Mrs. Reynolds at home. It's purple. You will click on that. Their classwork is the tab up at the top. The beginning is just a bunch of different things that the kids can use or do. They are both fun, the kids enjoy them, as well as they are educational as well. You will see your child's schedule listed. There's a hard copy of that also coming home and in an email to you. This schedule has all the links for their different Zoom meetings they may need. Under their schedule, there's virtual meeting links. You will see the links that your student needs. I have all of them on mine. And this is another place you can access the links when your child has an online learning session. Each of these sections below will be addressed by day. So for example, there'll be one that says Monday, November 16th. And those are the tasks that the kids will need to do for that day. There are have-to tasks, as is written here. And then there are some fun things or some pushing my thinking things, as well as some practice things that I would encourage all the kids to do as they go through. I tried to also include things like Go Noodles and mini YouTube workouts for the kids so that they can move their body during the day, as that's important as well. So again, here's the practice one we did in class. The ones that you'll see at home will be dated. This is a have to, this one is a have to, this is a have to, and this is a have to. Then the kids can do skip counting songs. Here's a fun way to practice my writing. There's a Go Noodle. Multiplication and understanding by zeros and ones. There will be lots of questions that the kids are to practice writing their sentences. 25 minutes of freckle practice turtle. They know what that is. I might have to hit the view more, because there will be more under that topic. Here's a Wonder Woman workout that we'll be doing today as well. Any time that the kids have free, or if you are looking for them to do some extra work, the Freckle Math Practice Turtle is a great place to start. Also in that, there's a literacy version, and we are going to be working on main idea. So you can find the main idea one as well. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I will get back to you as soon as I can.